My name is Doyin, an AI/ML developer here at Rain, Nigeria, and my project focuses on detecting AI-generated or human-written articles. And my project is here to help lecturers to be able to easily spot or detect whether students are originally creating their own works or they are giving it to AI to help them do their jobs, which really help in improving or maintaining academic integrity. First challenge was that no matter how you train your model, it can never be 100% accurate. So that was a very big challenge for me, because to get that 100% accuracy was something. But with time, I was able to improve the model accuracy to be able to help me detect whether that content was generated by AI or by human, and we can test it. Okay, so now I'll be going on LinkedIn to grab an article written by one of our trainees here at Rain when he was talking about his second semester projects. So let me grab the text, and now I'll paste it. And here is returning the article is human written, and true, it was written by him because he was showcasing his projects. Okay, let's check for AI written articles. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the text and paste it. So here it's showing that the article that I took from ChatGPT now is likely AI generated with 98% probability, which means it's AI generated article, and it is true because I told ChatGPT to generate that for me. So in conclusion, with what we have tested now, where I showed you human written article and tested it, and AI articles and also tested it, shows that I've been able to tackle that problem of students generating AI contents and changing to human form, giving their lecturers or teachers, telling them it's their work. Well, this can now be able to help the lecturers to be able to fish out or spot those contents, whether it's AI written or it's originally written by the students.
My name is Anu Oyelowo. I'm currently working on an AI distress sound detector, which identifies distress sounds like screams and alerts the police. So the reason why I decided to work on an AI distress sound detector was because I felt like the security sector needed to be more improved on, and my AI distress sound detector acts as a bridge between people who are currently in a dangerous situation and accessing help from the authorities. One of the difficulties was first learning how to make the models, because I'm still fairly new at coding and at AI/ML in general. So first going through that process of learning, and then also gathering data sets, so the audio samples I wanted to use to train the model and allow it to learn differences between screams and non-screams. Still have some things to tweak about it to make sure when it's implemented in, when it's deployed in real life, it wouldn't make any mistakes, so detecting loud sounds as screams instead of actually detecting a scream. My AI distress sound detector is very flexible and can be easily implemented into different areas. For example, it can be used for home surveillance. So when someone screams in the house, the owner of the house will be alerted that people in the house are in danger or something like that. And then also, it can be used in public areas as well, such as buses.
eventually there's no help coming, I will continue screaming. I will try to fight.
I will start screaming at the top of my voice and hope that someone will hear. I'll start screaming at the top of my voice and hope that someone will hear, because that's literally the only thing I can do, because I know that these people can be violent and stuff. I have been robbed at gunpoint before, and they took my phones from me and my wallet, and it was a very crazy experience for me. For weeks I was traumatized. I was scared to go out for weeks. So if I were in a bus like that, like involved with one chance, I'll just start screaming and hope someone hears my voice. So if there's a way that if I start screaming it will alert some authorities, then I think it's a really good idea. I think they should really do it.
I'll pray, because obviously there's like, I can't fight, I can't make a call, I can't signal anybody to help. So the best thing for me personally is just to pray that God should see me through and bring me out of such a situation, because I can't fight it. Sometimes the passenger might not be able to scream, so I think the best is to put a panic button or something in the bus, so in case you're scared you can press it and raise alarm or suspicion.
So if there's any trouble in the bus, the people like the government or the police will be alerted that there's something going on in the bus. And then also, the model is very robust to background noise. So even though there's like background noise or anything, if someone screams, the model will still be able to detect the scream.